A group of residents rallied at Mitchel Houses to demand that NYCHA replace their elevators. The development, housing mostly seniors, joins a list of over 30 other elevator outages reported on the Housing Authority's Service Interruptions Overview within a single week.
We need new elevators, and it makes no sense for people on the 17th floor down that are in wheelchairs and walkers. They cannot walk down. Every now and then I can walk down with my cane, but it hurts, and it takes a while.
They need to stop replacing parts, $4,000 and $5,000 worth of parts, and then it lasts for a couple of months, and then we're back with the same issues. We have a lot of seniors in our building. That building's been up over 50-something years, and it's not fair.
During the rally, seniors also advocated to save Section 9. The Public Housing Operating Fund program currently provides subsidies necessary for NYCHA to operate and maintain their affordable public housing units, which residents say are now at risk under NYCHA President Greg Russ's Blueprint for Change proposal.
When we see the trends in other cities that have gone through programs like the Blueprint, because Greg Russ has done this in other places, they lose hundreds of thousands of units of public housing, and those families have nowhere to go. And as we're leaving the COVID pandemic, the question is, if you destabilize New York City's public housing and you kick people out that are on disability, that are on limited incomes and are retired, where are they supposed to go?
We reached out to Councilmember Diana Ayala, who responded in part that she, quote, does not support the Blueprint, and seniors are right to be upset. When asked about funding for new elevators, Ayala also shared that she has followed up with the Housing Authority and funds have been released, and NYCHA is in the beginning phases of design, with construction being finalized April of 2022. Reporting for BronxNet, Sonyi Lopez.